Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening System Settings and going straight to Accessibility. Once there, look for Voiceover. It's under Spoken Content or the dedicated Voiceover pane on older Mac OS. Make sure you're signed into an admin account so settings can be changed. Once found, pause and confirm you want to toggle Voiceover. Don't just click randomly. This step prepares the system. It's the direct route to turning the feature off without restarting yet. Now toggle the Voiceover switch to off. You'll hear a short confirmation if audio is still active. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, press Command F5 or FN Command F5 on some laptops to switch it off immediately. Make sure to confirm any system prompt asking to disable accessibility features. Once done, check that spoken feedback stops and UI focus returns to visible highlights. If the shortcut doesn't work, proceed to the Voiceover utility in the same accessibility panel. Finish by opening Voiceover utility to reduce verbosity or remove custom commands so it won't start unexpectedly. Once done, restart your Mac if speech continues. Sometimes a reboot clears lingering services. Make sure Voiceover isn't listed in login items that auto-launch. If problems persist, reset Voiceover preferences by deleting its plist in the user library preferences, then reboot. This solves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.